Hey, what's going on, guys? Bagos Gaming here. Back with you for another video on Roblox. This is like my second or third video today. It's pretty lit. Oh yeah. So basically, I've been playing this game. It's basically Call of Duty, but like Roblox, and everybody dies in one hit. It's called Big Paintball. It's definitely pretty fun. I've been playing it a lot. Pretty good. Not at this map though. I don't like this map. There's too much stuff, and I can't clearly see my prey. I mean enemies. Yes, my enemies. You know what? This gun sucks. I'm switching back to my UMP. Much better. Okay, so yeah, back in my day, I used to be like the king of FPS. How many of you have heard of Call of Duty Black Ops 2? Yeah, I used to be like the king of that game, along with my dad. We used to kill all the noobs until it just started getting hacked. Hacked a crap ton, and so we stopped playing. But this is pretty good. This is pretty good. And I'm just rebuilding that basically just streamer by the way that was buried inside me a long time ago. Here's my sentry. Dang. So yeah, I'm pretty decent at this game. Dang it, football player. Let's see. But now I have a drone, so that's fun. Can I not hit that person? Dang it. Stream right away. Yeah, it takes a minute, but pretty much I just become the ultimate sweat. Gotta revive quicker so I can get more kills. Yeah, so this is why I don't like closed maps. Well, like maps that are small. They push everybody together, and don't let them meet up naturally. Which is honestly FPS's biggest flaw. No, FPS's biggest flaw is Call of Duty Black Ops 3. For the creators, at least. The biggest flaw for players would be standing still. Now, that's just an idiot play. Like, bruh, are you seriously standing still in an FPS game? It's a guest. I am making it my mission to kill that guest. Ha, get wrecked, scrub. Streamer, by the way. Dang it! The guest! Okay, the guest is red. The guest is red. The guest! Get the guest! Get the guest! Dang it! Dang it, Diamond Bot. Like, chill. It's peaceful. Not for long, though. I exist. Yeah, running up ramps is like super dangerous, but super worth it because once you get up the ramp, you have like the ultimate high ground. Anakin would be happy. General Kenobi would be happy. Jet TDM. Why does that sound like somebody using a fake name probably to get more friends and such? Oh wait, it probably is. Tagged. Crap. Deploy. This game doesn't know, but I used to be the king of FPS. Come at me to die. This GoPro. Like, bruh, hydro flasks don't even hold that much water. And they're like 36 bucks. I can literally just go to Five and Below, grab a 1.5 liter water bottle, or for like $5. Is that a body or a person? It's a body. Buffy's cat. Dang it. I will take out that turd. Lag! You guys saw that. That was lag. And I'm not trying to be like the ultimate Call of Duty player. I'm just saying that was lag. Get wrecked. Oh yeah, in this game, for some reason, turrets award the same amount of money per kill as if you actually just go up and shoot someone. So do drones. And I'm pretty sure nukes. I don't know, I haven't got a nuke yet. I'm good, but I'm not that good. Dang it! I'm getting fired at already. Take that, Buffy's cat. And Doge dude. Dang it, Buffy's cat in her stupid McDonald's shirt. Ba-da-ba-ba-what? I'm hating it. Ba-da-ba-ba. Great, now I've got that stuck in my head. Look what you've done, Buffy's cat. I am making it my mission to die. You. How did I get eliminated by her? She's dead. Pfft, idiot. You're a failure. It's over, Anakin. I have the high ground. Crap, 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 crap. Inside. I'm not even, I don't know if it destroyed my turret. Diamond bot, dude. Heckin' dang it. Let's deploy this here. That'll be fun. Hey, get tagged. Dang it, Twitty. You bacon hair. You bacon haired pickle chin. I'm trying to be like the ultimate white gangster and come up with good insults, but it's hard and I can't be mean. It's not in my genetic code to be mean. My greatest weakness. That's the meanest I can be. Getting one-shotted. Like, I don't even have to aim. That is like the lowest level of dominance. That is like the lowest level you can get. Getting one-shotted. Dang it. Dang it, that guy was breaking the #1 rule. Diamond bot and your turret, I swear. I swear to the great Lord above Cthulhu. Oh yeah, if you're wondering where that comes from, I play D&D. Yeah. A D&D playing FPS winning overweight 8 chair sitting a piece of white garbage. That is the meanest I can be. And that's because because I'm being mean to myself. Bop. 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 Stop breaking the #1 rule. Bruh, these kids, they're garbage. Die. Get dead. Get dead. Get absolutely dead. Well, looks like I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.